In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner for recurring tasks. If you regularly manage work that repeats every day, every week, or on a predictable schedule, Microsoft Planner makes it much easier to stay organized. Instead of creating the same task again and again manually, you can set a task to repeat so your workflow stays consistent and nothing gets overlooked. I'll walk you through the process in a simple way so you can apply it right away. To get started, open Microsoft Planner and go to the specific plan where your task is located. This is the plan you want to manage recurring work in, so make sure you're in the correct board before changing anything. If you work across multiple plans, it's a good idea to double check the title of the plan first so you're updating the right task. Once you're inside the plan, click on the task you want to make recurring. This opens the task details panel where you can adjust settings and manage how that task behaves over time. If you haven't already created the task, you'll want to make sure the task is there and ready before setting the repeat option. After the task details are open, look for the repeat section. In that area, click the downward arrow to open the recurrence menu. This is where Planner gives you the available repeat settings for the task. The drop-down is important because it controls how often the task will come back after it's completed or based on the schedule you choose. From there, select one of the available options. Depending on what you need, you can choose the recurrence pattern that best matches your process. For example, this might be useful for weekly check-ins, monthly reporting, regular reviews, or any routine task that needs to happen on an ongoing basis. Choose the option that fits the rhythm of your work, so Planner can help automate that repetition for you. Once you've selected the appropriate option, your recurring setup is essentially in place. This small setting can save time, reduce manual follow-up, and help your team stay aligned on repeating responsibilities. It's especially helpful for operational tasks that need consistency. A quick tip before you finish. After choosing the repeat option, take a moment to review the rest of the task details, like the due date, assignments, or notes, to make sure everything supports the recurring schedule you want. That way, the task doesn't just repeat, it repeats in a way that's actually useful. And that's how to use Microsoft Planner for recurring tasks.